How to secure Google Workspace email. Step 1. Check current status. Go to Google Admin Toolbox. Enter in your domain name, then click Run Checks. Step 2. Gather credentials. You will need the username and passwords to sign in to Google Workspace and your domain provider. Step 3. Create an email alias on Google Workspace. Go to Directory, Users. Go to Alternate Emails. Enter the alternate email, also known as an alias. This will be the email address where you receive DMARC reports. Then click Save. Step 4. Open a web browser, go to the Google Workspace help article titled Define Your SPF Record, scroll down to where it says SPF Record, select the code, copy it to your clipboard. Step 5. Log in to your domain provider. Locate the area where you can manage the DNS settings for your domain name. Select your domain name. Create a new record. The record type is TXT. On SiteGround and many other domain providers, leave the name field empty for the root domain. Your domain provider may require you to put an @ symbol for the root domain, so just check with your domain provider. And in the value field, paste the SPF record that you copied from the Google Workspace help article, then click Create to create the SPF record. Step 6. Generate the DKIM record. Sign in to Google Workspace. Click on Apps, click on Google Workspace, then click on Gmail. Click on Authenticate Email to expand the section. Click on the drop-down arrow and select the domain name that you want to set up the DKIM record for. Click Generate New Record. Select 2048 and keep the Google prefix selector as is, then click Generate. Refresh your browser, then select the TXT record name and copy it to your clipboard. Step 7. Add DKIM TXT record name. Make sure your domain name is selected. Go to the Create New Record area. You're going to be creating a new TXT record. Click inside of the name field and paste the TXT record name that you copied to your clipboard. Paste it in the name field. Step 8. Return to Google Workspace. Select the DKIM TXT record value and copy it to your clipboard. Return to your domain provider. Click inside the value field and paste the DKIM text value record, then click Create. Step 9. Return to Google Workspace. Click on the button Start Authentication, then click Save. Step 10. Define your DMARC policy. You can find examples and all of the documentation on Google Workspace help articles, or if you go to your domain provider, you should be able to find information. Step 11. Add the DMARC TXT record. Return to your domain provider in the DNS settings. Create a new record, record type TXT. In the name field, enter _DMARC. In the value field, you're going to paste in your DMARC policy. Just be sure to change the email address to the email alias or the alternate email address that you created in Step 3. Click Create to create the DMARC record. The final Step 12, and return to Google Admin Toolbox. Enter in your domain name, and then click Run Checks. And if everything was set up correctly, you should see all green check marks. Congratulations, your Google Workspace domain email is now secure. And my name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.